come against the power that stand against my open door. Every powers that want to stand against your open door. The doors of your announcement, the doors of your celebration, let the power be uprooted this morning. No power will stand against your open door. No power can close the door that God opened door. Every satanic usher, every satanic agent assigned against your doors, let them be uprooted out this morning. Set them packing in the name of Jesus. Anything called disappointment, let it be uprooted out of your doors of opportunity. Disappointment will not stand against you. Every agent of that agent on fire this morning, we set it on fire. Any